Through a top-load washing machine, advantages of a top-load washing machine compared to the front-load washing machine. So this is the display board, comes with very many features. Okay, so this is the power button. On the power button, once you switch on the machine, you can easily check. Like here, it's written wash, rinse, and spin. So if you're monitoring your wash, you can know when it's washing or when it's on a rinse or when it's almost done, when it's on a spin cycle. One good thing with top-load washing machines is you can detect the water level. It's not like the front load because it's automatic. With the top-load washing machine, you can detect the amount of water that you want the machine to wash with. Like for instance, when you power it on, and let's say you've selected a quick wash, because this is the program button. Let's say you selected a quick wash of 20. You can come here and select the water level. Do you want it to wash on a low one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So you can either, if you're being economical, you can put it on a low water level, because if you put it on a high water level, the water will have to fill almost to the brim before it starts washing. But when you put it on a low one, a quarter or almost half the drum, the machine will start washing. So you can come here and change the water level. Something else, it was the cold and the water, cold and hot water option. So you can, when you put it on hot water comes in from here. When you put it on cold water, you will use this one. Another good feature with this top-load washing machine is you can add clothes. Like when it's washing, you forgot a few clothes out. What you do, let's start. Like for instance, let's say you had already powered it on, yeah? And you've selected your program like the quick wash, and you need to add clothes. So what you do, like now it's washing, so what you do, you can easily pause. Once you pause, you open the lid. Once you open the lid, you add your cloth, you close it, and then you play. You see, it continues with the washing. So that's in fact the major one thing that makes it a better washing machine to the front load washing machine. Something else, with the top load washing machines, you can easily add water. Let's say for instance, you powered on your machine, and then when you power it on, you select your program. Let's say like wool, you've selected the water level, let's say like 5, because 5 will take long to fill, and to fill almost full the drum. So once you've selected all that and you limit, say you said 3 times to rinse 3 times, and the water, you don't have enough pressure here, so it's taking time, it's taking long to fill with the water. What you can do is you start with your washing machine. Okay, once you start your washing machine, let's say it has drained water. After draining water, it has started filling with water. Like there, it's filling with water. So when it's filling with water and you feel it's taking too long, or there's no enough water here, pressure is low, or there's completely no water, what you do is this: you come here, you pause your machine. Once you pause your machine, open, use a bucket or something else, fill with the water to the level that you want. If the level is not yet there, maybe it wants to wash on a 5 level. If it's level 1, somewhere here, it's level 5 somewhere here. So you just fill with the water. If you fill with the water, you just close. Once you close, you come, press. So it will start washing if the water has been poured to the required level. So you can easily fill it with water manually. The front load, you have to have pressure. The taps have to have pressure. Okay, something else, uh, we are talking about the, let's power it on. So when you power it on, let's now have a look at the dashboard. So water level, we have discussed about the water level. You can change cold to hot or hot to cold. Okay, the number of minutes, how many times you want it to rinse, once, twice, depending on that the clothes are, and if you have enough water. Okay, we have a low spin, it will spin on a high revolution, mid, and we have a low spin. Okay, and then these are just the programs and the start button. The last thing about top load washing machines, most of them, let's say if the drainage has a problem, the machine is not draining, what you can do, you can use siphoning method to remove water from the drum. Like let's say it has already washed and you need to remove the water. What you do, this one here, you just put the pipe flat to the ground and it will remove water. Like you can hear there's a sound of water now, water going. Okay, if you return it up, it won't drain water. If you put it down, to drain water. So those are the advantages of a top load washing machine. And if you want to just spin only, you power it on. Okay, once you power it on, don't select any other program, you just come on spin. Okay, and it will give you, like here it's saying only spin, and then you play and it will automatically drain the water. Okay, it's draining, the draining motor is open now, water is getting out. So guys, just want to take you through advantages of a top load washing machine. Next video, advantages of the front load washing machine.